25 sentences using the word besides.
Besides being a great cook, she is also a talented musician.
He decided not to go out. Besides, he had a lot of work to do.
There's nothing to watch on TV tonight. Besides, I'm tired.
Besides the usual menu, they have daily specials.
She loves hiking. Besides, it's good exercise.
Besides his full-time job, he also volunteers on weekends.
There's no point in arguing. Besides, we've already made a decision.
Besides the rent, there are utility bills to pay.
He doesn't like pizza. Besides, he's allergic to cheese.
The weather is too bad for a picnic. Besides, I have other plans.
Besides English, she speaks 3 other languages.
Besides the main attraction, there are many smaller exhibits.
I'm not interested in that movie. Besides, I've already seen it.
Besides her intelligence, her kindness makes her special.
He's very busy. Besides, he lives too far away to visit often.
Besides the financial benefits, the job offers great experience.
The project is too complex. Besides, we don't have enough time.
Besides being fun, playing sports is a good way to stay healthy.
Besides the obvious risks, there are hidden dangers.
She wasn't feeling well. Besides, she had a lot of work to do.
Besides the noise, the apartment is quite nice.
There's no room for more people. Besides, it's getting late.
Besides the cost, there are other factors to consider.
He didn't like the proposal. Besides, it wasn't practical.
Besides its cultural value, the artifact is historically significant.